Morning, ma'am. Very good morning.
I'm
How are you
doing
doing,
good. What
ma'am?
about you?
I'm also doing good. Great, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So please introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Mamta Yadav, and I am a computer instructor. And there are
Okay.
four members in my family:
Hmm?
my husband, my two children, and I. And
Okay.
my husband is an advocate, and my younger son is in 10th standard, and my daughter is in 6th standard. I am a working, like I'm a computer instructor
Mm-hmm. What do you
in
teach? Do you teach
practice only.
languages, coding?
I teach basic like MS Office,
Mm-hmm.
HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Okay. So where do you live? Where are you from?
I'm from Gurugram, and
Okay.
yes, it's a city where I live,
Okay.
which is Sohna. Have you heard about Sohna?
No, which state does it come in?
I It's Haryana.
Haryana. Okay. Is that where you were born and brought up or in Gurgaon?
Yes, born and brought up in Gurugram
Okay.
only, and I got married as well over here.
So what did you study in college?
I have completed BCA.
BCA. Okay. So did you further do MCA or just BCA?
No, I just BCA. After that, I got married, and
Mm,
then after 1 year, I had a baby. I got a baby boy.
mm,
That's
mm,
why my husband used to tell me, ki you have to complete your MCA, but
mm.
I didn't get time because of my baby. And during while means meanwhile, I started doing job as well. That's why I didn't complete my this
Mhm,
MCA course. But when my son was 6 months old, my
mm.
husband me admis, got me admission in B.Ed. Then I
Okay.
completed my B.Ed.
Oh, okay. So you've done your BCA and B.Ed.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So did you try working in schools because you've done your B.Ed?
To do work in schools, but I don't like schools. They give less salary.
Yeah.
But I never try for government job, no, because it's a long process.
Mm. Yes, yes.
Mm.
And how long have you been teaching, been a computer
Uh,
instructor for how long?
it's been 12 years. It's been 12
Oh,
years.
wow, so much
Okay.
of experience. You must be an expert in it now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So tell me,
And
you wanted to ask me something?
yes, ma'am. I had been uh, I had been looking forward to talking for you know for a very long time, and
Mm.
I was I didn't miss. I give up the expectations that since I read your mail. That
Mm.
time I was thinking she will reach out for me, and it's been long time now. That's I thought ki you will forget about me, and you never mailed me, never
Oh no,
mailed me.
yeah, because I used to teach people also. So I have 2 sessions of that. Then I talk for YouTube. So then I have some other work to work for my channel. So yeah, very, very busy.
Yes, ma'am, I can understand. You are doing very great job, and because you are a housewife now, being a
Yeah.
housewife, we have a lots of household chores, and our family and our children priority. After
Yes.
that, it comes working.
Yeah. And sometimes it also happens that you are not well or you want to take a break. So even that comes in the way. And now I do not have anybody's support. I am handling the house by myself. So it is even more challenging. So I have considerably reduced having conversations. Like earlier, I used to have like 3, 4 sessions in a day, but then I felt like I was racing with myself. Like, the mails kept piling up, and I like, how can I talk to so many people? So I used to be very anxious at that time. Then I learned to take it easy. It's okay. I'll take my time. Who genuinely want to talk to you, they will. If you mail them, they will reply back to you, and you can speak. But there are people also who, like, have taken so much time, and after this time, if I mail them, I do not get a response from them. So I thought it is okay. If people are genuinely interested to talk, they'll keep checking their mails and they will wait. So I gave it a try, and thankfully you replied. So here we are.
Yes, means when you were started these things, you were very excited that time. Now you have become habitual of this, and because of less time, you can't continue this. Means you can't converse with lots of people,
Yes, yes.
to others, because our family also there, na. We have to take care of them. But
Mm.
I thought, how can you manage this much time
Yes, because earlier I used to have like, I used to not get so many mails like
for
what
a
I'm getting now. I think, your video is
okay?
getting, frozen in between. It's getting stuck. So, and after that, I can see and hear you again.
Okay, so
Yeah.
everything is fine, ma'am.
Hmm. Yeah, I don't know what the issue is. Yeah, earlier
Hmm.
I used to speak like I used to not get this many mails, maybe 3, 4 mails in a day. Somehow I used to manage, but now it is like 10, 12 mails a day. So it is literally not possible. That is how I'm not able to cope up now.
Yes, because people getting know you day by
Yeah,
day, na, you are
absolutely.
becoming a famous.
That word famous kind of scares me.
No, no,
Yeah.
no, don't be scared. Means your video when we search on YouTube, na, it's come by default. There is no need to search your video. It's
Mm,
come by default. So
yes,
I
yes.
have seen your video, lots of videos,
Mm,
and I'm following you from last 1 month. And
okay.
when I watched your video now, after that I also thought, after watching your video, I have created my YouTube channel as well, and
Oh.
I have started learning through YouTube channel. So nowadays I am putting grammar portion on that, no? Means
Mm,
I
mm,
am learning. After learning the things, I make videos and put it on my YouTube channel.
mm. Wow. Then how do you get the time? You go to institute, then you work for YouTube also. How do you manage your time?
This my office time is 9 to 5, and I leave the students at around 4:30. After that, I get half an hour,
Mm,
and meanwhile, in that time, I make my videos. Means
mm,
I get less time, but I'll try my level best to make videos and put it on YouTube. But
mm.
nowadays, I'm thinking I should give more time to my study. No, that's why.
Yes.
Means whenever I get free time, that time I studied and I make notes,
Mm.
and means I prepare myself before making videos.
Yes. Yes.
This is
First,
my
we need to learn, right? We need to learn first, and we should know what we are going to post because this is a kind of responsibility. You just can't put out anything. If you give out the wrong content, it will not be good for the viewers who are watching, and maybe some people might even believe if we put out wrong content. So it is our responsibility that we give them the right information.
That's why, ma'am. Before making videos, I learn all the things, then I make video, because
Mm,
I know I am a learner. But
mm.
who are watching my video, they don't know now I am a learner or I am a professor. So that's why I also learn the things, then I put it on that.
Mm.
And my
Are you
channel name
also
is Let's Learning.
Let's Learn
Yes,
English?
yes, ma'am. Let's learn English.
Okay, it's been a month since you've started, right?
Yes, ma'am. I have uploaded around more than 30 videos.
Okay, yeah. That shows you're consistent. In 1 month, 30 videos is good.
Yes, ma'am. because I want to learn English. It's my passion. So
Mm.
for this, I have means I have made my aim. I have to put one videos every day. One
One video
video
every day.
in a day. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mm. Kind of it feels stressful sometimes, right? When you have given this commitment that I have to put one video every day, you that thing keeps running in your mind. Okay, no video for today. I have to prepare myself. I have to shoot.
Yes, ma'am. That's how we can learn now. Otherwise, we can't learn. Means my surrounding is like this. Nobody speak English over here.
Mm.
Um, but I have created my own environment. Means I have a partner. Means
Mm-hmm.
we we have we have been learning English since Corona time. Means we had started from zero level.
Mm.
Me and my friend Sangeeta Palka, she is from Maharashtra, and
Okay.
she is around 55 years old, and
Mm-hmm.
she has a lots of passion to learn English. So
Mm.
one day she called me, and she was also searching a partner with whom we can converse. So
Mm.
actually, we are learning English from YouTube channel and from Vinit sir. Have you heard about Vinit Kapoor sir? Vinit Kapoor.
No, I haven't.
He is a mentor. Vinit Kapoor sir and Anamika ma'am. They are
Okay.
mentor and they go online every day at 9 o'clock. So we watch
AM or PM?
PM
Okay.
at PM and we
Okay.
watch his videos every day.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and she also watched sir's video. And
Mm.
one day she called me and she said to me, I'm a student of Vinit sir.
Okay.
Yes. She told me, I'm a student of Vinit sir. And I'm searching a partner with whom I can converse. So, because I want to learn English.
Mm.
She said to me. And then
Mm.
I replied her, okay, I was also searching a partner uh, to converse for them. Sorry,
With
with
them.
whom I can converse. With them, I can converse. Uh,
Mm.
so since then, we started converse every day with each
Mm.
other.
You
And
started conversing with each other.
yes, and you won't believe we started from zero level. Means we both put ourselves at grade first. Then
Okay.
we practice a lot, and then we promote ourselves in second grade.
Mm.
This is
What a nice
how
way
we
feeling.
upgrade ourselves day by day, and now we can speak and converse everything in English. And means if we want to speak in English now, we can speak a whole day in English without stucking. Means we commit a mistake, lots of mistake while speaking, but we know we are committing mistake. But after that, completing the conversation, now we think and we try to improve that.
Mm.
If we are speaking wrong now, if we'll speak that sentence next time, we'll try
Mm.
to correct them.
Mm.
This
Yes.
is our process.
How, yeah, how did your friend find your contact details to contact you?
We purchased a course,
Okay.
and she also purchased a course, and
Mm.
there she was also a student and I was also a student, and sir made a group for us. So
Mm.
that group she got my number.
Ah, okay. You're lucky, right, to find such a person?
She's we can say she's very industrious lady, and uh, means how can I uh, explain her?
Mm.
I
No,
don't
I
know.
think,
I have no.
yeah, both of your wavelength matches because your thoughts and opinions match. That is why you're able to practice for so long with each other. Otherwise, if it was a person of different thought process and your ideas did not match, I don't think so you would have come this far. So I feel that you are really lucky that both of you found like-minded partners.
Yes, ma'am, definitely. We are lucky. And still, we are conversing with each other at 7 o'clock
Mhm.
every day. At a 7 o'clock, no? We converse.
Okay. So what do you guys talk about? Do you choose a topic or do you discuss your daily routine? What do you do?
We select a topic. Means if we have a means like nowadays I am learning pronouns. There are different kind of pronouns.
Mm.
First of all, I will make notes. Whatever
Okay.
I am learning now, I will
Mm.
make notes, and
Mm.
then we'll discuss these everything. I will discuss with her.
Okay. So, for example, both of
And
you decide in the morning that today we are going to learn pronouns. So, both of you learn, and in the evening, both of you discuss the same topic.
yes, yes, ma'am, definitely. I'll share the video, whatever video I am watching. For
Okay.
I share with her, and she
Mm.
also watch that video and make notes, and then we'll discuss. If they
Mm.
didn't get time, then I send them notes, and then we'll discuss.
Mm.
We make them understand to each other. Okay, this is the concept.
Mm. Okay. You teach each other.
Yes, like this you can say.
Only grammar or any random topic also you speak?
And any random topic like sentence structures. If we are learning sentence structures, then we take sentence structures and we'll make more sentences on that.
Mm. Okay.
Once we learn structure, no, once we learn structures, and
Mm.
then try to make more and more sentences on that sentence structure.
Ah, nice. Can you give me an example? Please repeat.
I have a sentence structure. I want you to plus verb first form. This
Okay.
is the sentence structure. Meaning,
Oh.
मैं
Mm.
आपसे चाहती हूँ कि आप डैश डैश करें.
Mm.
I have an example. I want
Mm.
you to
Mm.
do all the dishes.
Okay.
I want you to do all the household chores. I
Okay.
want you to do mop like
Mopping.
this.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Mm.
ma'am. After these structures, we put verb first form.
Mm.
I want you to mop because
Okay.
it's an
Yeah, I
infinitive.
want you to
Verb
mop.
first.
Yeah. Mm.
Yes, to mop.
Yeah, but when
It's
you say I want
infinitive.
you to do mop is wrong. I want you to mop will be correct.
Yes, yes.
Mhm.
Means
Mm.
हम किसी और से चाहते हैं काम करवाना.
Mm. I got
Like
it.
my sister is there and she is younger than me, and
Mm.
she will say to me, "Ki I want you to do all the household chores."
Mm.
Because I'm elder now. She
Yeah.
expects me ki
Yeah.
elder sister will do all the household chores.
Mm, but it is the other way around, right? The elders are, they command, they demand, "Oh, you do this, do this." It is the other way around for you.
No, you're right, ma'am. Put all my videos through my phone. That's why I'm thinking because it is convenient, and we feel easy to do.
It is always in your hand. So even I do that. I operate completely from my phone. I have conversations on phone, editing, uploading everything on my phone. Because sometimes my son is sleeping, so I just lie down beside him. He wants that I should be with him. So I lie down beside him. Then I can't keep a laptop in front of me and work, right? So the phone will be in my hand. So that is very convenient for me right now.
That's why I'm saying ki I also want to upload my video through my phone only.
Mm, yeah, you can
Can
do
I?
that. No issues.
Mm.
Okay, then we'll end the session here.
And I means I'm very lucky. Uh, I have a session with you. I was waiting for a long time. That's
Yeah.
why. Thank you very much, ma'am, to give me opportunity. So
Thank you.
thank
Thank you
you.
for giving me your time. Have a good day. Bye bye. It was lovely talking to you. Mhm.
Same here, ma'am. Bye.